Hey my beautifuls, it's me Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my IPSY bag right here for June 2019 and I'm really excited to share with you guys what is inside my bag for June 2019. And yes, I'm wearing a Toy Story shirt because the day that I'm filming this is the day I actually went to go to see Toy Story 4. So I'm wearing Toy Story. And I kind of figured that this shirt kind of actually goes with this bag because this bag is actually in collaboration with the game called Tetris. I think it's a game. But there's also like this whole makeup line around Tetris. I don't know if you remember what Tetris is. But it was like, you know, those blocks and you had to like make sure they could like fit into each other. It was like a game. I don't know if you guys remember what I'm talking about, but I remember Tetris when I was younger, so this bag is actually themed around it. There was actually, I think, a couple colors of this bag going around. I think there was the blue, I think there was also green, and I also believe there was an orange one going around. I got the blue one, of course. So this is the bag in here. And then it has like that little kind of like block looking little zipper right here, and it has a black zipper lining here, and then it's just the tag says IPSY on this side and then the back says Tetris. So not only did I get a bag from like the Tetris inspired, but there was also some makeup as well that was featured from Tetris collaboration. So there's that. Oh, and the inside also is like pink lined, and it says IPSY and Tetris all in there. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but it looks like that. I have my card. As you guys know, IPSY started having little cards, and they have the products on them. So June 2019's theme looks like is welcome to the block party, and which is really fun because since the makeup in here is Tetris themed, they're blocks, so I'm guessing IPSY finally has a really nice theme for this this month's bag, so that's really cool. So this is what the card looks like. It says block party, and these were the makeup products from the Tetris line that are featured. So I'm actually gonna go in order on this card for IPSY's products. So when I try to just list the names of these products in a description box, it's easy for me to remember everything. So I'm just gonna put the card in front of me, and we're gonna get started on what's inside this bag. Okay, so the first product is from Neogen. This is the Neogen Code 9 Black Volume Cream. I'm believing this is, oh, it's for skin, right? I had figured like something like this called like a volume cream is like for your hair, but apparently this is for your skin. So it says that this is supposed to create a highly effective products are targeted to treat your skin's concerns. Made with 119 natural ingredients, ceramides, hyaluronic acids. This oil-free gel-like moisturizer plumps, hydrates, and gives your skin a natural, healthy glow. Oh, that's kind of nice. Oh, so it's like a moisturizer. Okay, I'm gonna need some. This is great for travel, so I might try this out. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. I like the simplicity of this package. It seems very nice. It says you can apply this morning and night. Only apply a pea-sized amount to your forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin. And massage into the skin. So that seems really nice. So I will definitely give this a go to see what it's like. It's a new brand to me, so I haven't tried this out. There's a little seal on it. I don't want to open it just right yet because I'm trying to work through some other little products right now. So we'll see how that goes. I'm definitely going to give that a try, so I'm really excited about that. Always can use moisturizers, guys, always. Okay, the second item in this bag is actually one I'm really excited about because, Rose, honey, I don't know why my kitty does this. Okay, so the next thing in this bag is actually a perfume, which I haven't gotten perfumes from IPSY in years. It's been a while because I used to get like tons of like little perfume samples over the years. As you guys know, I've been getting IPSY bags since 2013, so I have unboxed or unbagged a lot of IPSY bags on my beauty channel that I had before this, and then on this channel. So I've been doing this for a very long time, since 2013. So I've been doing this, yeah, I've been doing this since May of 2013. That's when I first started getting IPSY bags. And I used to get, in the beginning, a lot of perfume fragrances, but then I was like, I didn't like how they were just like so super small sample sizes, or they were just like, you know, they weren't like scents I liked. But this is actually, I think, probably the second favorite of mine of a perfume fragrance that I've gotten in an IPSY bag. I have another one that's sitting in my fragrance collection. It's like a rollerball. I think it was called Pixie Dust. That I got that, I think, maybe a couple of years ago, and I still have it around. I used to keep it in my purse a lot, but I haven't used it in a while, so maybe I need to rediscover that fragrance. But I have shared with it in one of my fragrances collections that I have up recently. But this one is new to me. I haven't heard of this brand, but when I smelt it, it smells really nice. It smells kind of like fresh, cottony smell. This is called the English Laundry Oxford Bleu Femme. I hope I'm saying that right. Oh my gosh. But it is so cute. Look at this packaging. Isn't that so nice? It's very it's very like shabby chic almost. But I like this perfume fragrance because it was actually a very decent size for travel or something just to stick in your purse. And I like the packaging of this, and it's a nice little spray, which, you know, with a lot of perfume samples, you don't really get something like this most of the time. It's like a spray that are like, usually these little these things you have to be very careful how much you pour out, or they're like a roller ball. While a roller ball is nice and stuff, I kind of prefer like a spray or something that's not like gonna leak out and stuff like that. So this is actually really nice. I think I might take this with me, or keep this maybe in my purse or something like that, because it smells actually really decent. I like the nice light blue and white simplicity of it. It's very kind of shabby chic looking to me, and it seems very kind of English, I think, looking. But I like it because look at this little spray. I like it's a cap, and then there's a little spray. Oh, and it smells nice. I guess I could read a little bit about this. It says, created by fashion veteran Christopher Wick, this brand's chic scents can be worn for any occasion. Spritz on this blend of fruits, florals, and soft woody notes like citrus, jasmine, amber, and sandalwood. It's fresh like a summer day and lingers on your skin for hours. I like it. It smells very fresh and clean to me. That's the best way I can... Hold on. Is this open? Okay, hold on. Oh, it smells so good. I'm definitely going to take this with me. In my purse, on the go. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. This is literally, oh my gosh. It smells so fresh. Definitely, I can get floral notes and like a fruitiness. Oh my gosh. This is something I'm definitely taking with me in my purse. It's something I can definitely keep in there, because I used to just linger. I used to just carry around like just like the Bath and Body Works like travel size like fragrances with me a lot of the time, and then after doing that for so long, I didn't like it because it was bulky and just would take up a lot of room. I need to get like maybe like a Travelo. I need that. That's like on my wish list of things I need to get. I need to get like a Travelo so I can just like transfer perfume so I could take them on the go with me. That's like something I've been wanting to do, but I just never do it. But that smells so good. I like the smell of that. That's actually really nice. Ugh. I'm gonna have to look into this because it smells so good. It smells very much up my alley. As you guys know, I love my floral scented products, and this I can definitely smell floral in it, and just like very kind of fruitiness. It's like a floral fruitiness. I'm liking that. I'm liking it so much, guys. It's like very, very rare for me to find a fragrance that I like, especially in a subscription thing like IPSY, because I've gotten a lot throughout the years, and I've never used a majority of them. I got rid of all of them because they're just not scents I like. I'm mostly just a very floral person, so this is something very nice. It smells fresh, very just fresh. If that's the type of scent you like, you need something fresh and clean scented. It smells very good. Oh my gosh. Okay, we could spend here talking about it all the time, how much I'm enjoying that scent. But the next product in here is from Hey Honey, which I have gotten a lot of their products. I've featured them in favorites, empty videos. Hi, baby swan. Hello. You want to say hello? You want to say hello real quick? You want to say hello real quick? Hi, baby swan. It's okay, baby swan. She just wants to be near my feet. He's a baby swan. Okay, so I got in a couple things from Hey Honey in my IPSY bags. I've tried, I think they had like I tried like their honey mask that they had. They have like a honey mask. I tried one of their scrubs for the face, and now I have this one, which is like, I think maybe a fairly new product, but it looks really sweet and pink and it's girly. I'm liking it. This is the Hey Honey Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask. In case you didn't notice by now, a lot of the Hey Honey products have honey in them. They are cruelty free, in case anybody was wondering about them. They are cruelty free. So I love the packaging to this because it's super cute. It's like a baby pink color. It looks almost like a sorbet of some sort, like an ice cream sorbet. It has a little tap on it, so I'm not gonna really open it right now because I'm using a bunch of things. But it says it's 15 minutes to new skin. Rich antioxidant restorative treatment, reviving dull and tired looking skin. So it's something to brighten the skin up on here, as it says on here. It says this pink antioxidant rich mask is made with vitamin E, wild berry oil, and honey to protect skin, restore elasticity, and provide long-lasting hydration. Oh, so that seems really nice. I think I might take this. This will be good to take on my travels. Really excited about that. Oh, so I'm definitely gonna use this summer. Seems very, very nice. So I'm gonna definitely keep that in mind to take with me. Okay, also, the fourth product in here was actually from something, from a brand that I've been wanting to try out, or I've just seen it going around, but this is from the brand Half Caked. I haven't tried any of their things, but I've seen this brand go around. They're like a, what is Half Caked supposed to be like? Like a bakery looking inspired thing. But this is their lip fondant in Sweet Tooth. It's very interesting for a product to be called lip fondant. But the packaging is so fun, and it's like a party. So cool. Okay, so this is in the shade Sweet Tooth. This is what it looks like. It looks like ice cream or like a cake. It's like a party cake. But it's like this magenta fuchsia, I think. Let's see. It says this highly pigmented berry lip color has a pillow soft mousse-like texture that dries down to a matte finish. Plus, its warm vanilla scent is deliciously addictive. Oh, so it's supposed to smell like vanilla. Okay, let's see what this looks like. I'm going to swatch this for you guys, don't worry. Because I actually like these types of colors. Oh, it smells really nice. That's a nice vanilla scent. Like, if you like vanilla, like, cupcakes or something like that, that's nice. Oh, it feels nice and soft. That's nice. And it's a doe foot applicator, and it has that, like, angled dip. So you can apply this evenly, and it's not, like, going to give a whole lot of product out. Seems very nice. And then here is the color right here. Hopefully you guys can see. It's like a fuchsia magenta berry color. So that is really cool. I'm gonna give this a few moments to dry down and we'll see how it looks like. Oh, and look, there's even like a little donut on the top of the lid. How cool. Okay, and then the last product is from the Tetris and IPSY collaboration. This is the Tapered blending brush. So fun and cool. Wow. Like I said, I am always ecstatic when I get makeup brushes because I can never have too many makeup brushes in my collection. So this is what it looks like. Okay, baby swan, don't go knock the camera down, mommy. So here's what it looks like. It has like the Tetris looking blocks and stuff going on here. And I like how it's like this pointed angle on the brush here. And then it's like a metallic fuchsia magenta pink right here. And then it is a nice fluffy little blending brush. Very nice. I think it's very small enough so you can get in there and really blend out. So I really like that. It's very soft. Very pretty. Okay. So it's still drying down a little bit, but it looks pretty nice. I like the way it looks. It smells very vanilla-y. It smells so good. It smells like a cupcake. And that's everything I got in my IPSY bag. I think it was a pretty good job. I think these are definitely some nice. It's like summer treats in a bag. That's the best way I can describe this bag. It seems like a very nice summer treats bag because everything looks delicious. Like we got like a lipstick here that has like frosting almost kind of like dripping down. We have like a berries treat for the face. And we have a nice fresh clean smell of fragrances, and then we have something to keep our face moisturized. I'm very impressed and very happy with what I got. I'm definitely going to be using it because I definitely do need some stuff like this in my collection or just to try out, but I'm very happy. So that's everything that we got in this little bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching what I got for my IPSY June 2019 bag. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated and it helps me out a lot. And until next time, have a beautiful and magical day, and I will see you all in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.